Hello, today we're taking a look at DU Speed Booster. This is a free Android optimization app in the Play Store that has a ton of features packed into it. What it does is it helps you go through and highlights things like it has easy speed booster, which allows you to single touch, save time and effort by boosting your device's speed here. It also has a junk file cleaner and more. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the app here. If I click on it, you can see here, it's gonna go ahead and open up. And you see here we have DU Speed Booster's main menu. At the very top here, you can see it gives you a little scan. It shows how much boost needed here. So you can see I have an 83% boost needed. And what it's going to do if I tap on it here, it's going to go ahead and boost my device right away to get this number up to 100. So it's going to do a couple things here. It's going to clean trash. It's going to remove files. It's going to scan every corner of your device for junk files and optimize them on your device. It has a powerful speed booster, security booster, and smart booster all packed into it here. So you can see here I did a couple of tests here and it jumps right back to 100. I can hit finish and you can see my device is optimized. Now within the app itself here, you have a couple of things. In the top right, you can click on the little settings button right here to get everything like settings, feedback, update, introduction, phone, and about. If I click on settings here, you can see I can create shortcuts, add quick switches, float windows. I can schedule the booster. So this is really cool. You can actually time the booster. You can have it clean every hour, clean when RAM is less than 20%. So it has little presets here so it knows, again, that smart booster to automatically clean unwanted things and trash. And you can set that at a time schedule. Now going back here on the main menu, you have a couple things. First up, you have your accelerator. So if I click on the accelerator right here, it's going to take me into it. It's going to show me how much current RAM is available. So in this case, it has 90% RAM available. And it'll display all of the apps that are currently running. So in this case, it just has some Android background stuff as well as a couple other apps. And if I want to accelerate, I can actually tick those boxes here to uncheck the ones I don't want running. So for example, if I wanted to turn off Baidu browser, I can hit accelerate and it's going to go ahead and remove that and accelerate me up. You can see now I'm at 95% RAM available here. Going back, next you have the trash cleaner. Like I said, it helps you go through junk files. It's going to go ahead and scan your device, in this case my tablet here, and look at all the things that can be removed here. So it's going to look at system trash, folders, memory, cache files that I want to remove, as well as temporary files and other applications, and I can hit clean. In this case, it's going to remove 79 megabytes, and it's going to walk through and show you as it's deleting it. So a really simple and clean interface here. Very, very kind of futuristic, but also just very straightforward. You also have your app manager here. This essentially just allows you to view apps. You can do APK manager, move it to an SD card, see the top free, and also uninstall apps. Pretty straightforward. Next up, you have your speed test right here. Again, this will judge your speed test based off of the Wi-Fi. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you can simply start the speed and find out your upload and download speed connected, as well as if you're on a network. So if you're on a phone and you're on a 3G or 4G network, you can see the speed as well. Security, it also has a security booster and master packed in, so it makes your phone secure and protected from viruses and Trojans. So you can see here it has a permission manager, so you can dictate what type of permissions apps are allowed to access your private information. So for example, if apps are allowed to send SMSs or read your contact lists or location services, you can manage all of those apps from here until you can delete those that you don't want doing said permission. You also have antivirus here, so you have an antivirus thing packed in to make sure that you can scan your device and make sure everything is safe. You also have the option right here to click and hit the quick scan. So again, a huge plus of these security features packed in. Next up, the battery saver. Battery saver here displays your battery and how much it could be extended, as well as you can see here, it shows other products that they offer to make your phone's batteries last up longer. Swiping to the next page here, you have your game booster, which speeds up your game by 20%, and you can activate that as well. So it's going to optimize your system here. It improves gaming speed and experience by doing smart recognition and manual selection of installed games, and it concentrates on system resources to support the smoothness and boost the frames per second for all your games. Overall, it has a ton of stuff. I said the trash cleaner, speed accelerator, game booster, all in one, and it's completely free. Definitely a cool app to check out. This is DU Speed Booster in the Play Store today.